at all these little petals all over the place. It's the one thing I hate about springtime, because where do the petals go? All over the car. Then the car is so dirty and we've got pollen and oh she isn't it. But oh my gosh, no, I left my sunroof tilted up and they all got in my car. Oh, that's so dead. Oh my gosh, I'm so salty. Damn it. Look at that fitment though. Oh my gosh, I'm so salty I let that happen. Can you guys see that? Look at that. Oh no, I'm sitting on a lot of it too. Whatever, I just sat on it. I guess it makes my car look pretty. But we're going to a car meet right now, so I don't know. This car meet is usually good, so I'm hoping it's good. I haven't gone to a car meet in a bit. Haven't driven the SI in a bit, probably like a week. Haven't vlogged in a bit, so welcome back to the channel, you guys. If you're not subscribed just yet, you already know what to do. Hit that subscribe button down below. I'm about to go put the car through the wash because this thing is absolutely so dirty. There's little petals all over the place. I closed that, so we're good to go. I'm gonna go through a car wash really quick. Just gonna go through, not even gonna get an expensive wash. I'm gonna get a cheap one because it's really gonna rain in 2 days, but I need to get some of this pollen and petals off too. So check back to you guys once we're at the wash, and yeah, let's do it. Bruh. All right, you guys, we are here at the meet. This shit is packed.
Remember that take that I showed you, the green jump where it had the yellow?
We got the Slam CRV. Oh shit, my camera's about to die. Yeah, look at this thing, bagged. Big Wang gang. Got a rocket bunny out for us over here. Alright, we're about to air out. Alright. Hey. I haven't used the Bluetooth for my bags in so long. So this is what the Bluetooth looks like on the phone. So you download the Airlift Performance app. This is what it looks like. It's really like the controller, but that. Anyways, I'm sure as you guys can tell because the video last night literally just randomly stopped, that my camera died, unfortunately. Why isn't this thing focusing? Focus, there we go. All right, so I'm sure as you guys can tell that camera died last night, but I didn't want to just end the vlog because I felt like, you know, we were doing a good vlog and stuff like that. I really don't even have much to talk about, so I figured why not talk about this car, because it's the car that a lot of people have been asking for me to upload more content on, and I actually have. So I didn't want to tell you guys, but I'm going to tell you anyways. I got an Acuity short shifter that I'm going to be getting for this car. So I'm going to get a short shifter for this car. That's like the best of the best on the market. Short shifter for the SI. Oh my gosh, these taillights look so good in this light right here. That looks so beast. Anyways, and so I've had this car for about 5 years. 5 years. I've had this since 2014, August 2014. We're in April right now, so close enough, 5 years. So I figured I wanted to go ahead and do a 5-year review on my Civic SI, as I have it here not really like in depth. I just want to talk to you guys about how this car has been these last 5 years and how I feel about it now. Obviously 5 years, a lot of things changed with cars. Technology is so advanced and stuff. So how does this car hold up and everything? And honestly, I literally still love this car like the day I bought it, and I feel like anyone that owns this car, I mean anyone that owns any car says that, but there's just something about this car that I literally like it. And it's literally just a Honda Civic. It's just a Honda Civic. It's nothing special. But I would literally like sell my WRX before I sell this car. Like this car, maybe it's just because it's my first car. Maybe it's just because I have spent so much on this car, you know, work and money and effort and stuff. Maybe that's why. Maybe it just has a lot of emotional attachment to it. But there's just something about this car that I would literally like give up my left nut for. Sorry. This car is still so dirty too. I need to hand wash it. I have all these little pedals and stuff on it. But anyways, yeah, so I wanted to just talk to you guys about how my Civic SI has been these last 5 years. This car has honestly been so great. I've literally never had not a single issue with this car. I've done so much to this car. And for those of you who are watching for the first time, let me give you a quick little walk around, quick little rundown of what I've done. So first thing that you can notice on the back is that I have the OEM hybrid taillights, which look absolutely amazing. We have an NVIDIA N1 catback exhaust. I have the 3-inch carbon fiber gurney flap. I have a lot of people ask me about this. This is from Password JDM. I have these work VSXXs I just got. The car is a little cambered out. We were running about -6.5 in the back, -4 in the rear. We got some side skirts, Mugen window visors. We got a custom front lip. We got the OEM Asian projector headlights. These are only overseas. Civics in the US did not get these, so you do have to get them overseas, and you do have to get a special harness for these as well. You can't see, but I do have JDM badges. I haven't really done anything to the inside of this car. I added some ambient lighting down there. And that's about it. The short shifter is basically gonna be the first mod for the inside. And something that's really cool about the Asian projector headlights is this. This is literally my favorite thing ever. So beast. Love that. So whenever you put your blinker on and your hazards or whatever, this is how it looks, and it's so nice. It's literally my favoriteest thing ever. But anyways, yeah, and then I have like LEDs and stuff. Anyways, I love this car. This car is so absolutely amazing. I literally could not have asked for a better first car. I love this car to death. I love what I've done to it also. This car is probably, I mean, the Civic, the 9th gen Civic is just the best looking Civic to me. It looks the best. I don't know about the 10th gen Civic. The 8th gen is really boxy too. The 9th gen Civic is just where it's at for me. Let me go ahead and turn these off. And like I said, I've had absolutely no issues with this car. This car has been so reliable. It gets great gas mileage. The market for this car is so big too. I mean, there's just so many different things that you can get for this car. Parts aren't crazy expensive. An exhaust for this car costs $400 to $500. I mean, a full exhaust for my WRX costs like over $1,000, stuff like that. I mean, a downpipe costs $300 for this. WRX, it's like $600-700 for like a good quality one. So, I mean, this car has just been amazing. And if anyone is honestly thinking about getting a Civic SI, then definitely go for it. It's been a great first car. It's so easy to drive. Everything is so nice and light. The clutch is really nice and light. It's really easy to drive in traffic. And just driving this car, it honestly, I don't want to brag or sound, you know, like I'm bragging or anything like that, but this car does get a lot of attention because of what I've done. I mean, it just looks really good, and a lot of people do give me like thumbs up on the roads and stuff. But other than that, you know, 5 years later, and I'm still absolutely so in love with this car, and I'm so happy that this is my first car. I don't know, I mean, honestly, I've been thinking about taking it to the next step. I've done everything I want as far as appearance wise. Why not like maybe do like an all motor thing, get like an intake manifold and stuff like that, or maybe even like supercharger or something, who knows. But anyways, wanted to give you guys a quick little update. I know a lot of you really like this car. I know a lot of you guys have been asking for a lot more content on the SI, so definitely it's coming. I'm really excited to get the short shifter installed on this thing. It's gonna feel so nice. And then the next thing that I am gonna get is I wanna get the carbon fiber steering wheel that they make for this car also. But other than that, you know, if you guys enjoyed the video, thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for sticking around until the end. If you did, if you are still watching right now, remember to hit the like and subscribe button down below. As always, show the channel some support. You know, the channel is still growing, the channel is still pretty small, but anything helps. And yeah, I'm really excited to start vlogging more. That's definitely something that I want to do. I definitely want to carry my camera around more and vlog, so that way you guys get to know me a little bit better, and my videos aren't, I really want my videos to not really be just stuck on one specific thing, like oh, WRX, whatever. Like, it's just, I want to gain your guys' love and support, and I want to gain you guys to want to like follow me and want to keep up with me and stuff like that. So thank you so much for watching, and if you did stick around to the end of the video, then enjoy this nice little edit that I'm gonna do right here in the dark. Let's see how it comes out.